So if I bring you in a little closer here, you can see that the quality of the airbrush, it's outstanding. I mean, I love it. It works well. You know, depending on, I have a tendency of using a 60-40 ratio on my reducing my colors. This one is actually a 70-30, which is about like 7 drops of reducer and 3 drops of paint, and it works tremendous. It works really well. So I'm pretty happy with the abilities of this brush and what it can do. It's works very well if you get close to your substrate. You're able to do detail as well, and the air flows very smoothly. Yeah, this thing it's pretty amazing. I'm crazy shocked on how good this airbrush works, and you know, its ability. One of the things that I really want to do is also connect it to my regular compressor to see how it can withstand some of the heavier high pressures, somewhere around the, you know, the 30, 40, maybe even 50. But but the airbrush flows flawlessly, man. I don't have anything bad about how it performs. It also, I don't feel any heat on this. Usually when you're continuously pushing out on some of these compressors, they start getting hot really fast. But this one is still actually pretty good, and I'm one to actually keep my finger on the trigger to keep the air flowing. But I'm not noticing any dramatic heat changes to the compressor itself. So I'm happy with it, man. I'm really happy with the way this performs, and I'm sure my buddy Howard Wang will be happy to hear that. It's a very good quality airbrush. I cannot say anything bad about it.
So up underneath there, it's got an actual tube that you can attach to give it some length, and it's got everything that you need to clean it right there. Let me get it all together real quick, and then I'll show you like its basic functions. Alright, so now it's together and everything. It's got a little button here. You just press, and then it's also got like a trigger switch up top. So we'll just turn that on, see how loud it is. Okay, so now it's pressurized and getting power to it. So then we just, let's see how strong it is. So we're just going to hold up, let me get my camera fixed right. We're just going to hold up this piece of plastic here and just see if we can see the, yeah, and it's getting enough to push the plastic. Like on my hand, that doesn't feel too powerful. So about what you probably need to do like model airbrushing and everything. So that's pretty good. I don't know how long the battery life lasts, but we'll do a full review video of it eventually. But that's the airbrush. Link in the description below where you can get it. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Shouldn't have.
Incredible cordless airbrush kit comes with everything you need. Perfect for miniature painters.